Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to import presets in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first of all, open Adobe and go to Effect tab. From here right click on Presets and Import Preset. You can select your preset where you have downloaded or saved your presets. I have preset in my Documents tab, so I'm going to select Open, and here we go. We have successfully imported preset into your Premiere Pro. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos ideas and suggestions in comments, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.